welcome to Bernify Academy. I am Bianca, and for this course, I'm going to be teaching you creative skills which you can use to create graphic designs, web design, marketing materials for your upcoming clients, invitations, mood boards. So yes, there are a lot of things that you can learn from this course. And to start with, you might be asking yourself, mahirap ba maging designer or possible ba na maging designer ako? Well, I can, for the first question, I can answer na, oo, mahirap naman. Lahat naman ng bagay mahirap sa umpisa, but if you practice it, if you keep yourself improving, then ma-realize mo na as time goes by, magiging madali na lang siya sa'yo. And kung possible ba na maging designer ka, like in my case, I am a nursing graduate and hindi ko lang siya pursue as a profession kasi mas pinili kitong path ng pagiging online freelancer kasi as I can feel this fits me better than being a nurse, but I have nothing against nurses. I salute them. So ayun, from that path of being a nurse, sobrang layo na pagiging designer, but then here I am working as a graphic designer, web designer for over a decade now. So, wala naman talaga mahirap kung gugustuhin mo, and I know madalas nyo na naririnig yun, but yes, it's true. And ano ba yung sa pagiging designer, ano ba yung mga dapat gawin or dapat isipin or ano dapat yung maging mindset mo. So, if you really want to be a designer, you have to stop thinking right now na hindi mo kaya. Because to tell you honestly, to tell you the truth, kaya mo. Kasi kung kaya ko nga, bakit hindi mo kaya, diba? Kaya mo. So, you have to stop instilling negative thoughts sa mind mo. Dapat yung mindset mo is kaya mo and willing ka matuto. Kasi if you keep putting positive thoughts in your mind, dun mag-a-align yung path mo eh. And then, you'll find yourself na looking for ways on how to learn instead of feeding excuses on why you can't be a designer. So you have to start with your mindset, and as soon as you align your mindset with what you want to be, then that's the time na makapractice mo na or learn ka ng skills, and that's the reason why I'm here to help you uncover the designer within you. I'm here to help you discover the skills that you have. So, sa pagiging designer, first thing na kailangan mong gawin before ka mag-design ng materials or ng mood boards, kailangan alam mo yung target audience mo. Let's say you're gonna design an invitation. So, let's say the invitation is for a 7th birthday. So, diba, ang target mo din is mga kids. Alangan naman maglagay ka din ng for senior citizen. So, diba? So, kailangan alam mo yung target audience mo para alam mo yung magkakaroon ka ng idea kung ano yung mga type of fonts or colors or wordings na ilalagay mo sa i-design mo. So, that's the first thing. You have to know your audience. And then, second, you have to be in the position na paano if ikaw na yung makakabasa or makakakita ng design? How would you feel? So, dapat nandun yung paano mo magagamit yung design mo to communicate with your audience. So, that's very important kasi that your designs could communicate. Kasi if yung design mo hindi clear or hindi maintindihan ng target audience mo, so it's like useless yun. So, ayun. I'm super excited to teach you skills, or ang ingay ng motor sa labas. So I'm super excited to teach you the skills, to discover the designer within you, and to go through the process of learning the tools, the softwares that you can use and which can help you to design marketing materials, design invitation, mood boards, and a lot more. So again, welcome to Bernify. This is me, Bianca, and I'll see you in the next one.